Hi, we are going to prepare an Oreo gelatin. We are here with my little brother Liam. Say hello, Liam.
Hello, Liam.
No, eat hello.
It's hello.
These are the ingredients. Here we have 12 Oreo. Well, this is chocolate. Here we have about 200 milliliters of milk cream, and we are going to use of this 150 grams of condensed milk, and we are going to use this unsavory gelatin. We are going to scoop the cream of the Happy Black cookie or Oreo. Prefer to be Oreo.
Toma ya.
We are going to smash these cookies. Liam, help me. Sí. We are going to blend the cream of the cookies, some condensed milk, specifically 150 grams, and 200 milliliters of milk cream. We are going to soak and dissolve the gelatin and put it on the fire. We are going to add the gelatin mejores.
Dos.
But we are going to adjust a little. The rest will be here. Now we are going to mix the ingredients.
Hola.
Now we are going to put the mixture in the refrigerator. We refrigerate 1 hour and it will be ready to eat. My family don't want me to eat this, so I'm going to eat this with my little brother now. Oh, it's sweet. I like it. Liam, take some. Do you like it? Say yes.
Yes. Yes, I like it.
Thanks for watching the video. Bye.